Alkaline water has gained popularity in health and wellness discussions lately. Its benefits include improving hydration and enhancing detoxification. Let's explore why alkaline water is special and share a simple homemade method. We all know water is vital for our bodies, but may not know that traditional water may not meet all needs. Many suffer from digestive issues, fatigue, and joint pain due to unbalanced pH levels. Traditional water has a neutral pH which may disrupt our body's pH balance, leading to health problems. In addition to these issues, many of us are dehydrated without even realizing it. We drink coffee, soda, and other acidic beverages that can further disrupt our body's pH levels, leading to a vicious cycle of fatigue and illness. The truth is, traditional water just isn't cutting it for many of us. We need a solution that's not only hydrating, but also helps our bodies maintain a healthy pH balance. The positive news is that alkaline water is a solution for better health and well-being. This high pH level benefits our bodies in various ways. By drinking alkaline water, we provide our bodies with essential tools for optimal functioning. It is easily absorbed, enhancing hydration and detoxification, and neutralizing free radicals to reduce oxidative stress and chronic illness. Additionally, alkaline water's antioxidants protect cells from damage. Studies have shown that alkaline water can have a significant impact on our health. In one study, participants who drank alkaline water saw a significant reduction in blood viscosity, which can lead to improved cardiovascular health. Another study found that alkaline water helped to reduce oxidative stress in the body, leading to improved immune function. The science is clear. Alkaline water is a game changer when it comes to our health. How to create alkaline water at home? It's simple. Use a water ionizer, either under your sink or attached to your countertop, to separate alkaline minerals from acidic ones, resulting in pH-enhanced water. Alternatively, add alkaline minerals like baking soda or pH drops to your water through a bottle or glass. In summary, alkaline water is crucial for optimal health. By switching to it, you can hydrate better, detoxify, and protect cells. With my easy-to-follow methods, you can immediately benefit from alkaline water at home. Thanks for exploring this world. Share your alkaline water experiences in the comments. If you're new, subscribe for health and wellness content. See you in the next video.